What's up, folks? It's your boy again. It's Thursday. One more day and it will be Friday. One more day and it will be Friday. You're at the end of the week. You're this close from being from the weekend. So hang on in there, all right? Hang on in there. Hang on in there, all right? So, Facebook. Go, 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 go. Do that thing that you normally do when someone comes on live. Send them notifications out and let everybody know that said yours truly is going live. All right. So I'm going to let Facebook do its thing real quick, and then we're going to jump right on into it. While I'm doing that, let me go ahead and give out some shout outs. I'm going to put my phone on mute because it seems like every time I go live, my phone goes haywire. People want to inbox me, message me, send me a smoke signal, just blow my phone up every time I want to go live. I don't understand that. All right, so who we got on there? Tootie, thanks for jumping on. Miss Woods, thanks for jumping on. How you doing? Jarvin, thanks for jumping on. All right, one more jump on and we're going to get started. One more jump on and we're going to get started. All right. Y'all ready for the weekend? Well, first of all, are y'all ready for Christmas? Because it's almost here. Christmas is almost here. That's one of my little nieces would say, Christmas is almost here. But it's that time. And guess what? After Christmas, it will be a new year. Are you ready for the new year? Because it's coming. 2019 is coming. Man, it seems like we had just celebrated New Year's. It just seems that way, and time flies. I'm telling y'all, Father Time is undefeated. I'm here to tell y'all, Father Time is undefeated. Devon, what's going on? Thanks for jumping on. All right. Since you came on, you made it my fourth person. All right, so we're going to get started here. All right. All right. Intro. For those who do not know me, new to following me, my name is Cedric Jenkins, founder and creator of Your Money Matters. Your Money Matters because of the fact that you got up this morning at your place of business or work to earn your money. You have the God-given right to keep it. Miss Moms, how you doing, ma'am? So I like to come on here and give tips and strategies to help the working class people keep their money, because you can do more with more of your money. Don't you agree? I think we all agree that we can do more with more money. All right. Jeannie, thanks for jumping on. All right. So let me get into the topic of discussion today. All right. And that is, let Uncle Sam pay your tax bill. Let Uncle Sam pay your tax bill. All right. Now, before I dive into that, okay, I want y'all to understand. Orlando, thanks for jumping on. For the past couple of days, I've been coming on and giving. I always come on here and give financial strategies, right? Whether it's tax savings, debt elimination strategy, increase your cash flow, investing, things of that nature, right? I just don't talk about one specific thing. I'm talking about all aspect of finances, because we need those pillars in order for us to build wealth. So I just don't focus on one thing. But because of the fact we coming toward the end of the new year, right? People are getting themselves prepared for tax season. All right. They sitting around waiting for them W-2s to pop off, right? Going to the mailbox, where my W-2? Where my W-2? I need my W-2 because I need my money. So we're getting prepared for the tax season, right? And so because of that season is coming, what's up, Donald? Because the season is coming, what I wanted to do was provide some tax advice or some strategies to help people maximize their tax savings, because I know y'all ain't getting this knowledge from your tax preparer. I know y'all ain't. I already know you ain't. Hence the reason why I got in the game, because I'm tired of seeing tax preparers taking advantage of their tax client. Okay? They're not educating the client in order for the client to maximize their tax deductions, to where they can maximize getting tax savings. All right. We need more tax professional to come and help with that cause. Y'all looking at someone who never done his own taxes before. I pay for comfort and convenience. Trust me, I do. I pay for comfort and convenience, and taxes was one of them. But lo and behold, almost 5 years ago, I had to change. I had a paradigm shift. Okay. And the person that was used to do my taxes did not understand how to help me maximize my tax deductions to where I can get maximum tax savings. From that point forward, I got into a circle that taught me, that educated me on how to maximize my tax deductions to where I am now getting tax savings, to where now I don't owe Uncle Sam or have a tax bill. Which leads me to today's topic of discussion, and that is, let Uncle Sam pay your tax bill. Now, let me give out a few more shout outs and then I'll go ahead into it. Donald, thanks for jumping on. Trina, thanks for jumping on. John, thanks for jumping on. Bernardo. Theo, I see you. Thanks for jumping on. So, check this out. Let me ask a quick question. Do you know someone that owes either the IRS or the state in back taxes or in taxes, period? Have a tax bill. Let's just say it like that. Have a tax bill. Okay? Let's pretend that either you or you know someone have a tax bill. All right? I've actually had some business partners or some clients or what have you who are in that situation, who owes, in essence, in every bit of 20 grand or more in back taxes, right? Whether they didn't file in previous years or they filed and their tax preparer jacked them up. And now, and here's the thing, particularly with the IRS, when the IRS come and get you, they're gonna hit you pretty hard. They're gonna hit you with penalties and they're gonna hit you with interest. And the next thing you know, your tax bill is pretty big. Okay. Then now, guess what happens? Now you got to call, get on a payment plan every month until you get out of that debt. Now you in debt with the IRS. Now think about it now. The IRS was already taking money from your paycheck every payday. Then now you got this huge bill that you have to pay on top of that. How in the world are you going to come up financially if Uncle Sam is digging all in your pocket? Yo, listen, for the past couple of days, I've been sharing tips and strategies how to keep how to keep the IRS, Uncle Sugar, out of your pocket. On Wednesday, I talked about home business deductions, to where if you're a business owner and you run your business from your principal place of from your principal dwelling, which is your home, your residence, you can deduct a portion of your rent, your mortgage, your utilities, what else? Internet, cable, things of that nature. Okay, you can deduct that. Uncle Sam will pay you to run your business, and now you have access to get more tax savings. All right. Yesterday I talked about to the fellas. I gave good game to the fellas yesterday about how you can let Uncle Sam help you pay your child support. Uncle Sam can be in your corner if you let him. But the only way that you can let him, you have to reposition yourself within the tax system to where now you get entitlements to exercise a different set of tax codes that will open up the floodgates for you gaining more deductions. And we all know the more deductions that you can gain and claim, the more tax savings that you get, which shows up in your refund check. Okay. Hence leading to topic of discussion today: owing Uncle Sam or the state back taxes. Now, here's the strategy. Okay, here's the strategy. If you know someone, or if you're in that situation where you owe Uncle Sam, all right, I know right now you got some stuff on payment. Okay. If you have not called Uncle Sam or the state revenue department to make payment arrangements, we all know what's going to come next. What's up, Battle? I see you. We all know what's going to come next. Right? And that's garnishment. All right? And garnishment ain't a good thing, because when they garnish your money, they're going to take what they want. Okay? They're going to take what they want from your paycheck. Boss lady, what's going on? All right? So you don't want the government at any level to garnish your wages to pay that tax bill. All right? If anything else, you want to call those folks up and at least get on a payment plan. All right? But you're probably saying, well, said, dog, I'm already check to check. Now I got to get on this payment plan to owe these folks back. How I'm going to live, what I'm going to do, where the extra money going to come from. I'm about to put you on game. I'm about to put you on game. All right? Here's how you do that. Let the government pay their own bill. How do you do that, said? How do you do that? Hint, hint, clue, clue. Gain some more deductions. Okay? Get some more deductions. All right? How do you get more deductions? You have to become a business owner, because business owners, like I've been saying in the past 2 Facebook Lives that I've done this week, that business owners have way more access to way more deductions than a wage income earner. Let me say this again. If you're single, your only source of income is wages, then you're stuck with only standard tax credit and standard itemized deductions. I can point you to a reference right now on the irs.gov website, and by count, it's only 24 of them combined. And when you look at the list, you're going to say, I ain't going to qualify for most of these. So if you don't qualify for most of those standard tax credits and standard itemized deductions, where your tax savings going to come from? You need tax deductions in order for you to lower your tax liability. And anytime you lower your tax liability, then now the savings show up in your refund. Now you get a bigger refund check. Lower your tax liability, get a bigger refund check. I don't know how simple or plainer than I can get it than that. If you're not lowering your tax liability, then that means you're going to be having or owing Uncle Sam. Okay? So, Uncle Sam can pay his own tax bill. The bill that you owe him, let him pay his own bill. All right? Here's how you do that. First, reposition yourself within the tax system to become a business owner. Okay? Secondly, understand and know what you're entitled to as a business owner in terms of tax deductions or business expenses. Okay? Claim that on your Schedule C. I'm here to tell you, if you don't have another form when you file your taxes, which is a Schedule C, and you just Schedule A, you ain't gonna hardly get no huge tax saving unless you got children. Because child tax credit and earned income credit is probably the only biggest standard tax credit and standard itemized deductions that you can get as far as huge tax savings. But what happens when your children are 17 or more and out the door, and you single and you don't have no dependents? It's just you. You ain't got no tax savings. None. But if you're a business owner, okay, if you're a business owner, what's up, Julie? Thanks for jumping on. If you're a business owner, Reginald, thanks for jumping on. If you're a business owner, you have access. Charles, thanks for jumping on. You have access to hundreds of tax deductions. Okay? Tax deductions equals tax savings, which leads to a bigger tax refund. Now, if you owe, okay, if you owe, then simply here's how it goes. Let's just say that you had a business and You had $20,000 worth of deductions from your business expenses. Okay. That leads to tax savings. So let's just say that that tax savings came to about $6,000 in your tax refund. Let's just say that you had a tax bill that you owed the government of $10,000. Well, quite naturally, when you file your taxes and the government sees that refund, the government's going to say, okay, well, you got a tax bill over here. We just going to take your refund and pay this tax bill off automatically. But no money came out of your pocket. No money came out of your pocket. All you did was reposition yourself to become a business owner, claim some deductions that you was entitled to get the huge tax savings that you was not getting, to where now it shows up in your tax refund. And then now instead of Uncle Sam garnishing your wages, all he's going to do is get your refund check, pay his own bill off, and then on to the next one. Y'all, that's pimping. But we stressing around here, calling, making payments, trying to figure out what we're going to do. Or don't call, say, screw the IRS, but then you get a letter of garnishment. Then the IRS said, nah, screw you. I'm finna get my money that you owe me. Why not let them pay off their own bill, ladies and gentlemen? Why not let them pay off their own bill? Y'all feeling what I'm saying? These are strategies, but it takes this to move strategy. See, we thinking we're gonna out labor the government, right? I don't care how many hours you're gonna put in at work to make extra money. Uncle Sam, you still got to see the gatekeeper, and that is Uncle Sam. That is Uncle Sam. So, again, here's the strategy. First, become a business owner along with your W-2. Let me just put that down. This is not about you stop working as a employee. This is adding something else, another identifier to you. You basically you're gonna identify yourself as a business owner to the federal government and say, I am both of these people. You're going to leverage being a business owner to lower your tax liability over here as a wage income earner just by having ownership in a business. Step number one. Step number two, because you just reposition yourself within the tax system. Step number two, you need to learn the tax deductions as a business owner, because if you don't learn the tax deductions as a business owner, then you simply are not going to be able to lower your tax liability. So you have to first learn the tax deductions. Okay. You got to get into the circle of folks who can teach it to you. All right. We got some business partners on here now that you can, whoever shares this video, if you want to learn the game, get back with the person that shared this video with you. Okay. So learn the tax deductions. First, number one, become a business owner. Number two, learn the tax deductions. 3, keep good record keeping of all your business expenses, because at the end of the year, those business expenses is money. All right. That's money. All right. What's up, cuz? Reg, I see you. Ms. Bolden, thanks for jumping on. Think of the business expenses as money back into your pocket. All right. So have good record keeping, and then at the end of the year, claim those business expenses as deductions so you can get the tax savings. The tax savings will show up in your refund. All right. The more the more expenses that you can claim, the more deductions that you can put on your Schedule C. The more deductions that you can put on your Schedule C, the more tax savings that you can get. The more tax savings that you can get, the bigger the refund that you'll get. The bigger the refund that you get, the faster you can pay off your tax bill that you owe Uncle Sam or the state revenue department. Let them pay off their own tax bill. Don't you do it. You don't have to. It's all strategy, y'all. I'm telling y'all, stop playing checkers in a chess game. I'm trying to put y'all in a chess game. We're playing checkers. Go into 2019 playing chess. You need new pieces and you need new rules to play this game. I just put y'all in game for the past 3 days on how you can increase your cash flow so that you can have more money to do with, so that way you don't be financially disgusted with your financial situation. That's what this is all about. So if you got a tax bill, or if you know someone that has a tax bill, let the government pay it off for themselves. Don't you pay it. Don't you pay it. Use a strategy. Now, again, let me just say this, because I may have 1 or 2 business partners that may make a comment, said you're giving them all free game, man. You giving them all free game. Yeah, I'm giving them free game, but here's the thing. In order to maximize the free game, you got to get on a team to get in the game, to execute the game to win. Because if you're not in the right circle or not on the right team that's going to help you or show you how to execute this game, you ain't going to win. So I can give you free game all day long, but if you don't know how to execute it, right, you're not going to reap the benefits from it. So you need to get on a team that can show you how to execute this game. And I keep trying to tell y'all, we in a chess game out here. This ain't no checkers. The reason why you're struggling financially is because you're playing checkers while other people are playing chess. The people who are playing chess don't have financial problems. I had to learn that myself. I'm around here thinking 6-figure income earner. I ain't gonna have no problems. Man, you please. I had all kinds of financial problems as a 6-figure income earner. I was just struggling at a higher level. It doesn't matter if you're earning 6 figures, 50,000, 40,000, 20,000, 10,000. If you don't understand game, you're going to be struggling financially, no matter how much money you make. It doesn't matter. I hope y'all feeling me on this. Y'all need to feel me on this. It don't matter. I always say, and we say it in the military, don't work hard, work smarter. We say it as a cliche, but do we really believe it? Do we really practice it? Let's get to that point. So y'all, if you owe Uncle Sam or the state government in back taxes and you're trying to figure out how to do it, get with the person that shared this video with you and let them put you on game on the strategy. Let them show you how you can execute the strategy properly. Okay? I just gave you a general concept of it. Okay? Yep, you need to become a business owner, but listen, just because you became a business owner, that don't make you financially literate either. You need to get around a circle of folks who are financially literate, who can show you the benefit entitlements. Because most of us, we go start a business, but we don't even know our business entitlements. When you don't know your business entitlements or business benefits or entitlements, you're losing. Would you go start a job without knowing your entitlements or benefits? Hell no, you're not. That's the first thing you want to know in an interview. How much I'm going to get paid? What the health insurance is looking like? What about profit sharing? You want to know all that up front before you even say yay or sign the dotted line. Why would you do that as a business owner? Why would you not want to know what your entitlements and benefits of being a business owner? You need to, because that's going to that's going to put thousands of dollars back into your pocket. All right. If you don't understand the benefits entitlement, you're losing thousands and thousands of dollars coming out of your pocket. Okay. Latasha, thanks for jumping on. All right. So I hope this was enlightening, empowering. If so, share, like, and comment. So listen, y'all, Don't stress it if you got a tax bill. Use a strategy. All right? Get with the person that can show you how to execute this strategy to where the government can pay their own tax bill. And it won't have to come out of your pocket. Period. Period. All right? Y'all have a good day, and we will holler at you all later. Y'all be blessed, all right? Peace.